everyone. Do you wish there was a way you could get your words down on paper without having to handwrite or type them? If you don't like handwriting or typing and you'd rather just talk your ideas out, then this is the tool for you. It's called Dictation. Dictation is a really great way to get your ideas out of your head and onto paper. But this isn't something you can just master in one day. Like everything else in life, you have to try it out and practice using it. But don't worry or feel overwhelmed. I'll be here to guide you every step of the way. First, you need to have a tool with you that has Dictation on it. You can find Dictation tools on most phones and computers. I'll be using my iPhone and the Notes tool. I like to just tap the little microphone on the keyboard and then get talking. Let's see what happens if I talk quickly, as if I were having a conversation. Dictation is a super cool tool to use to get ideas out onto the page. Kids will really love using the app because it does the hard work for them, plus it's a really accessible way to get work done, whether you're alone in your room or walking home from the bus stop. Now, let me read that back to you so you can see that it's not ready to go and be handed in if this were a report. It just gets my words down on the page, and sometimes it doesn't even get the right word, so it's important just to check. I'll read it back to you. Dictation is a super cool tool to use to get ideas I want to the beach. Really love using the app because it doesn't work for them, plus it's really expensive away. Are you alone in your room or walking home from the bus stop? So though it got some things, it's not what I was 100% looking for. Now let's try that same couple of sentences again. This time, thinking about how these sentences would appear on a page that's meant to be read, instead of conversation, which is meant to be said. So I'll just tap my microphone again. New paragraph. Dictation is a super cool tool to use to get ideas out onto a page without having to handwrite or type them, period. Kids will really love using the app because it does the hard work for them, period. Plus, comma, it's a really accessible way to get work done, whether you are alone in your room or walking home from the bus stop, period. Now let's compare it to our first recording. As you can see, speaking slowly and clearly like I did in the bottom one really helped Dictation capture my words. As you heard, there's some new language to use when you use Dictation tools. Saying new paragraph separates your text out onto a different line. Saying period or comma or any other punctuation point adds that to your writing. It's important to talk slowly and clearly so Dictation can be more accurate. But, like I said, you can't just stop there. You have to go back and check your writing, sentences, spelling, grammar, just like anything else you would write. So what makes using Dictation different? Well, you're not actually writing or typing as much because your technology is doing that for you. It's a really awesome tool if you don't have the neatest handwriting or typing words or writing them is a little difficult because of the blank page. If writing or typing takes a long time for you, then this is a cool tool as well. I encourage you to give Dictation a try. To learn more about cool tools to help you rule school, please visit our website at learningworksforkids.com.